Hi, I'm Joe Smith. I'm the Director at the Royal Geographical Society, and I want to invite all of you, online or in person, to the RGS First Expedition and Fieldwork Festival, a fantastic 8-day programme of events, talks, debates, film screenings that together I think are going to help all of us think harder and act more purposefully in terms of how we travel now and in the future. What I love about this initiative is that it really brings together so many aspects of our work, from the collections through to the grants we make, through to the extraordinary relationships we've got with purposeful, ambitious travellers from all over the world. Right at the core of the festival is the Explore Expedition and Fieldwork Planning Weekend. This brings together some of the world's most experienced expedition and fieldwork people. If you are setting out on your own journey to plan your own expedition or fieldwork, then we can give you expert guidance and bring you together with a much wider community who are having the same thoughts. I believe that the programme that the team have put together here gives everyone something that will be both fascinating but also help you to think harder about how to travel well.